Welcome back everybody for another video by your boy Crypto Holger. Let's get this crypto. In this video I will be showing you how to download and install the new GetGrass desktop node so that you can double your daily Grass point earnings. GetGrass is offering a free crypto airdrop that is super easy to farm. In fact, it's the easiest, most passive airdrop I have talked about on my channel. All you need to do is sign up using an invite link. I will leave my invite link in the description box down below. After you have signed up, all you need to do is download the browser extension and you can start earning Grass points for free. Now, if you have never heard about GetGrass before and you want to know more about this project, I suggest you check out my GetGrass video playlist on my channel. But here's a quick TLDR. Grass is an AI data layer project, meaning that when you install this extension, what you are actually doing is allowing them to use your unused internet bandwidth to help train AI models. According to GetGrass, there are 2 million users using this right now in 190 different countries, meaning that roughly 2 million people have downloaded the Chrome extension and are allowing the GetGrass program to utilize their unused bandwidth on their internet to again train these AI models. Okay, so now that we got the basics covered, let me show you how you download this desktop extension so you can earn 2x the amount of points. So what you are going to want to do is head over to store, and here you can see Grass desktop node. We're gonna click on download. Here you can choose which operating system you are using. I'm using Windows, so I'm gonna download the Windows extension. Now that we have the extension downloaded, we are going to install it. After it has finished installing, we will log into our account. Enable auto start and enable auto update. We are now all set up and ready to start earning some passive income. Let's get this crypto. I will now confirm that the desktop application is working as it should be. So to do that, we just click on this desktop dashboard. It will take us to our dashboard, and as we can see, the device type is a Grass desktop node, earning us 2 times the reward points. So as it's looking right now, everything is running as it should be, and there's nothing else to do but to sit back, relax, and let Grass earn you some passive income. That's pretty much it for the video. I want to thank you all for watching. Like always, none of this has been financial advice. You should always do your own research. Never invest more money than you can afford to lose. Please like, comment, subscribe, check out my Telegram group, but most importantly, let's get this crypto. Ciao.